Poland schools are preparing for COVID with new thermal imaging devices that will be set up at the entrances of all of their school buildings. They can check the temperatures of all the students and staff automatically as they walk into the building.
We don't have to have an individual standing there checking temperatures. They just walk right up to it, and you'll see it on the video. They walk right up to it and it'll tell them where they are, and it'll do 2,400 students in an hour.
The thermal imaging devices can also be set up for facial recognition. That can be used as a security feature for the district even well after the pandemic concludes. 2,100.
Abnormal body temperature. Abnormal body temperature. Check-in successfully. Welcome. Check-in successfully. Check-in successfully. Check-in successfully. Please wear a mask. No passing. No passing. Welcome.